Damn, I don't know if y'all can see it, but Philly, we getting socked with snow. Ain't no RC in no time soon, goddamn. I think this is about 25 inches right here. Oh my goodness. Snow every fucking man. What do you think, Puggy? Hmm? Yeah, the day is February 10th, 11th, something like that. 2010. Lord, look at this snow. And this is like the third snowstorm this winter. The second one was less than a week ago. But the orange don't fall if it's so heavy with snow. And this snow is heavy today. It's been snowing for damn near 24 hours. Yeah. Damn. This shit is wild. It's getting light. It's real light now, but it's been snowing for 24 hours. This shit. I need a fifth scale. You go play the snow, Puggy? Hmm? You go play the snow? I know you do. Sayonara.